Stuck with a Wise issue and can't find a human? Here's exactly how to contact their support team in under 2 minutes. I know that feeling. You've got a transaction that's stuck, or maybe your account is acting up, and you just need to talk to a real person. But you're stuck digging through FAQ pages that don't quite answer your question. I've been there myself, and I've tested this exact method, so I can show you the quickest way through. I'll walk you through the 4 simple steps. Click your profile, then Help, then Contact Us, and choose your issue. That's it. Let's go. So first things first, start by logging into your Wise account. Once you're in, you want to locate your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. It might look like a little circle or your initials. Go ahead and click that. This is where all your account settings are tucked away, and it's the starting point for anything related to your account, including getting help. Just one click and you're on your way. Now that you've got that menu open, look for the option that says Help. It's usually listed right there in the dropdown. Click on that. This might take a moment to load, so just hang tight. Wise is pulling up their entire library of guides and frequently asked questions. But don't worry, we're not going to get lost in there. We have a very specific destination in mind. All right, so now you're on the main Help page. It's probably showing you a search bar and a bunch of popular topics. Resist the urge to type your problem into that search box, because that's where people get stuck in an endless loop of articles. Instead, look for the button that says Contact Us. It's usually somewhere in the top corner or along the side of the screen. It might be a different color to stand out. Click that one. And here's the really important part. This is where most people get tripped up. You're now looking at a list of common issues. It might say things like sending money, receiving money, account verification, or card issues. Now, pay attention to this one. You need to choose the option that most closely matches your problem. I know it might not be a perfect fit, but pick the one that's closest. This is crucial because the system uses this to route you to the right team. If you pick something random just to get through, you might end up waiting for the wrong department. Take a moment, read through the list, and select the one that fits. Once you do, you'll see your contact options. Depending on your issue and location, you might get a chat button, a callback request, or an email form. And just like that, you're talking to a human. I've used this method successfully every time I needed real help, not just another article. So now you know exactly how to skip the FAQ maze and get straight to the support team. No more wasted time searching. Just 3 clicks and 1 smart choice, and you're connected. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up so others can find it too. And I'll catch you in the next one.